Kani gadega pati CCTV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Watla kapong Jngi krinolen, menta karan hapadang gajing bamdan nong pet nong kami, batla suye kumto menta lakat to kan nepor. Henry Haka siterek mentau nai lor, Haka ni kapong layu ibiang, ya kajing bon breu, na kajing Pynlong ya Jingïakob Jngi Haka ni kapong. Haka ni kasngi na kalyang kakanhon ke batray na kabenta, ban kentiu ya kajing leka Jngi Haka ni Jylla, ke Meghalaya Swimming Association. Kalayo ban Pynlong ya Jingïakob Jngi kabalatep kum ke 14 state swimming competition. Ya kabala Pynlong ha krinolen swimming pool Shillong. Haka ni Jingïakob bon ngot kino Jngi na kalang ke Jylla kentop ikishin rang berkentai kilawan bani sementa. Haka ni Jingïakob kabalane baro sisngi lenter. Ya kani Jingïakob lawan menpele da menteri sarkar barem ke Jylla uba RJ Lingdo ubalalong komukongsan ha kejelang basipor haswa ban sedang ya Jingïakob. Habakran sipor hakani kejelang na kalyang uba RJ Lingdo komukongsan ula kentok jor halor kejing teko jong sarkar ban penterekam no eka sports policy. Haka Jylla kabalong komukongsan haswa ban Pynlong eka national games hakani Jylla house nem arhajar arpuar.
I think the state machinery should put its faith in these associations and allow these associations to do a good job of first and foremost identifying where the potentials are, and then having identified the potentials, give them the support that is required to train and coach these people so that they come to a level where they will be able to participate in the national stage. We've got just 3 years left, and if the government continues with this attitude of trying to put stumbling blocks on the path of the associations rather than encouraging the associations to perform, I fear that national games in Meghalaya will be dominated by other states, and our state will be perhaps at the bottom of the table. I sincerely hope that the government of Meghalaya will wake up. I appeal to the authorities through the media today to kindly rectify all the problems that are there. We still do not have a sports policy, and I remember when I was with the MSOA, I had tried to push it as hard as possible to ensure that we have a policy that will govern all the sports activities that we have in the state. I failed, and I took responsibility for the failure, and I did not stand for the elections of the MSOA any longer. I was hoping that that would encourage, or that would make the government see the folly in not having a state policy. But unfortunately, I find that till today, we still do not have a policy. With the national games coming up, if there's no direction on how we're going to approach the games, if there's no policy that will give the direction, then I fear that we will not be able to achieve what we need to achieve. The General Secretary had talked about how today, at the Asian Games level, we are finding people from very, very economically trying backgrounds who are excelling in the Asian Games. I am sure we have many Swapna Burmans here in Meghalaya. I am sure we have many Hima Dases here in Meghalaya. Now, it is for the associations to go out into the field and identify our own Swapna Burmans and identify our own Hima Dases and allow them to come to the forefront. Keep politics aside. Keep all the negative part of sports aside. Don't allow it to actually dominate, especially now during this run-up to the national games. I hope that the associations will be given the free hand and the support that they require to do this job. I know we have a lot of potential, and I hope that the government will also see this potential and first and foremost start by zoning the games to different areas of the state. For instance, we know that diving could be a huge potential for the people from Meghalaya. We may not be able to do very well in swimming because we lack the physique, but I'm sure we can do well in diving. Can we concentrate on diving? And where are the places that perhaps we can get good divers? It'll be the southern parts of Meghalaya. So can we zone that and look for the talent that is there and help these talents to grow and to be able to blossom and to be able to get medals for the state in the coming games.
Stephen Ringsai, Albert Harbani, Albert Felix Wonshim, Lila Watman.
yoi bagani molong mentagasni gibon bagi participant kini ki swimmers ki bawan na kaleng jong kani ka state ki Jngi di Haka ju upor ki dan ki swimmers ki bawan na baru ko Assam ka Assam Bali school di kini ki dan na te hendai ka wei ka ba sosi yengi galong ba adien mengila wan poi hangni mi ba ka ka duna kamdap full kum bajudap ba ka den kam mandap barbor di kini kalau ke ke ba sosi yengi ba nomor kum bajolong hi boros kata ngim jumat kum kani ka jing duna mo di hagini kisi ano ipi hak baide ba kani ka competition miladap bantho shapoka State Sports Council nadu bunai Julai ban pentip bang idan kani ka competition menta kesini di hendai hadin bang ladap summit ya kata tingi ba hadin ka tu kan niru ngim simyo jingtip ngim simyo jingtho ngim simyo reply ye napo ka State Sports Council di hadin ladap kumba sitayo tam tu tindakan yang cuma ngamat sing haban pun no chief engineer bila ile kumno lo jong tu ka city ke bangla tho pengi nak bentaban penangkam ya kene ka pool ha kene ka mentak strict mentak ni competition dan di nakal yang jong iru yang bai kempat yo jitep ni kempat yang bangla adap ya kata ka city sengi mau bangi hapan siu tidak hadian ngakli nak ini ki secretary ngakli nak ini ki member sengi bukai undan bayo ka city di kapelong dia yang i bangin hapani wat angtai dah dia mengeliwat angtai kata city ke ba itho mangi na du bra Julai kata sakut apa afet dah dia nata ni lek yang sete ban kiong ba ngi hapan siu ngi lade ban siu kata ka pisaru ka bolong sipu hajar sisngi kata ka bangin hapan siu na kata ka ni ka competition ya dia milade ban siu kata ru ngiap kanu kim pendap ya kata pun di pelong biang bangin hamban si ban haban lek ban keli biang hadi mena keli ke sapha kita gitu jengki dia na takadau ke jing syak ko begini pendap ni ke di belong tak lais ni swa lang menyo ya kata ke jing dap ko bapura di hendai dan si pendap dang men sisngi ya na takadau mentaki kena hab jing hai ni ka ke dunani di kini ke jing ke ba ngi je kendu na ka pos ka por di kawairu ahbaide bat kani ka jing hanoba ya kani ka swimming pool singi kani ka Meghalaya Swimming Association ru kani ru la ekendo na ka pos ka por asai kumba play ki media nadu kini islam ki bladap maidap repair ya kani ka maidap repair ya kani ka pool nila ekendo dina kali yang kejongki la ekran hadu assembly ru ban hanoba ya kani ka pool sepok ka Meghalaya Swimming Association nai hadu mentaru kimpala ban hanoba tinggi ba kajing peniat nak yang State Sports Council lu kalau buat ko adu kata-kata kambiang menuifi tindak kata-kata hakaji kendu jingi ya minister ngai kendu asin nak yang jong minister ru la keluar ba in han aba hangi ya kan ni pun ma badai tangka Meghalaya Swimming Association ni bajuran ya kan ni ka competition ke baju ai jing hikai hne nak posha por badan hokban run ya kan ni ka swimming pool tindakan yang jungi iru ilong bato yang ada ong yaki la direct yaki ba kideban hano bono sengi hakani katayu kaya ini teu ladap den rei kataru kam urlong ti kita abang ini kendu yaki ki ong proses kadang minang pha sejong di kuntas kunta kaya ka jing dili ti kani ketika ka jing dorong ba kraw ha ini ka association bat ha ka ju poru yaki swimmers blokhoi tinalo kita no ipi nakanyang jongka Meghalaya Swimming Association ru nomor bangi fokus nak benta kani ka 2022 kani ka national game ka Pynlong hangi po Meghalaya di ngip ya sistem nak yang jungi ngap Pynlong ya kani ka coaching camp da ka bangi ya tayok bat ka wei ka academy nang tina po Assam bakata ka academy ru ka bangi la dalek ban inspect idla di bangi la iru ba kita ki khana ki ba ki aji kam ki bobyang ba bat hakaju ka poru ki de ki ba jujab apo kini ki national tiga kabyang ba kar komika jungki gar komika jungki kalong kadir ka kalong scientific coaching de bangiong kat kum gajuk momenta tinglai tayo bat ki bakilawan ban ajing ka hni ASEAN sitio laya tinglai ko sosi kalong ba tang sibna rum padan dap lai tayo ki khangno ya kani kampul te kar ke jingdu ka ba khrau ba mangiladan nang ta kumba sau pungut ki khana ki bawan ban ai coaching hni bat ki bun ki junior ki sub junior ki barang kana ki bahapo sports nem bahapo khanas nem kumta tingi ru what happening gani lai tayo ko ik bangi ai coaching ni ba kadon ka potential happening gini ki kana ki don ki badan ki belong talented ki belong gifted tingi ba kadon kani ka future nak menta ka jungki tenrei usosi kalong ba hadu menta kini ki khang ya gani ka pul kim simla pan pli hadu menta tikani ka de jingdulong ka ba khrawa nak menta ka association banda benta jungki swimmers berkhot jong ni state jini amar berkhot hi kiawan ban jingi ha gani ka pul ni ki kham sojan nang ni bakalong hapreng ban nimdan ki pul jong ka sarkar ni tangani ko wi ka pul jing di patba
the sports policy ka to call ka kam te haba gi apet mentamo ki ong ba bamdan to certified lifeguard hamne ko crinoline swimming pool have a uniform policy kedi bandan ka policy ba lada phi khang ya ka pool bamdan uta certified lifeguard kedi ban khang not ki pool hangne po Jylla jungi bamdan certified lifeguard phimde ban chu ai kitab ke pretext ne ka excuse bamdan kita ki lifeguard phim khang ka pool ka jingdo ka bakhra shwa ka competition ki khna samla jungi ki don kam at least 1 month practice man ka singi ki phone yangi man ka singi ki kli ba lano kan play ka pool bangin yo practice hande ka sulong ba shu ya kran ka jo te nakaliang jungi nakaliang ka Meghalaya Swimming Association ba kanya chakmat kini ki kam hakabai dai bat ka swimming ban promote swimming bat bai dai bat ka jing pen kre nang menta ka national games ismo ba lada ke department lada ki sarkar ki ya trei kumne te kalong ki ke ba khamran ya ka Jylla nomor ba perkhat lada ka sports department kabadi pek badi kmi ban promote ya sports hangne po Jylla jungi ka trei kumne ka trei du ko kumne haba nekli napo directorate kinong dang process kli state sports council dang process kli minister ong ngala direct ya kita ki officers hendre haba one part hangne on ground undan kano ru kata kejing persang berpendak ko umne banle ru te ngaso ka kata yangi kum ka association ka kata yaki khna samla jungi kiba kwa banyelekai ngidon kata ka sporting spirit pinale chinong kundong pinawan po sulong tamba ladang imdon kata ka support pan kumno nginya ya chakmat 2022 national games so license without infrastructure without support from the government te nakaliang jungi ngi appeal sa kibor beripai. We appeal to the chief minister, we appeal to the minister, we appeal to the authorities. Ba kinle nanai kan poi ko ba klader palat without direction there is no way bangila ban compete upon national games, no way. Nginum la ban le kumba kalong mutang ila di ban kre i khna di ban yo full support ngi ban yo kita ki coaches ngi ban yo kita ki infrastructure hinde ha pet menta ndan kata kai te ini ilong tang inuksai barit swimming pool ilong tang inuksa barit just a symbolic of the state of affairs hangne po Jylla jungi hakabai dei ba sports te nakaliang jungi ngi appeal ba it has to ngidei ban wanra ya kata kacingkala hakne ga rukom khmi ya sports hakne ga Jylla jungi kadi ban wanra ta kacingkala there has to be a drastic change in the policy ban wanra ta policy kabalong conducive to sports hangne po Jylla jungi
kalong ke badai ban check ke namar ba kan ngisnu si thakum ki kme ki pa phone ki baya chini ki lawan chini hangne na do badang samna mangi ngila ni engineer ni anai ngam pa jio I ba hakini ki snem the last 2-3 years kani ka pool ka bon ba bakhang hakani this time 2018 ki la renovate haka snem ngatrai 2006 14 ne 15 hakitu ki snem ro ki khang nangta after the renovations for bingi 1 year competition hangni ngia sosi ki swimmers sosi namar ba inside the swimming pool ki don ki bars bakimde bandon ki diving boards ki kena ki compete ki happen sedang underneath the diving board. It disturbs the swimmers. This is the only swimming pool badan hapo Pynlong. And then after renovation ki klem correct ya ki jingduna jong the swimming pool. Ngasmu ba kani ke department ke badai ban don ki banang ke sports department kadai ban don ki specialist haka swimming ki badai banang if na don ship ki consultants ban shina phai ka swimming ban encourage mentang ini don ki games ki ban long 2022 with this kind of infrastructure tiki ko jogi kini practice hai mentau usne nang lawan mental ajan lai tayo ban wanyalam ki khon kini practice she sien ka pool kon play hado menin ru ka ka pada menem men step ru kilamut ban cancel kanai mangi kum ki kmi ki pa ki khon ki awan na jingai ki don ki students ki be awan na du asame ki be awan ban jingi ban ai competition ya ki kena khasi jongi kena khasi kena Pynlong jongi ndai kimut ban postpone no ya ka swimming ni request ni ong em so hawat lem ta te ngakon this request kenya ka sports council ya ka government of Meghalaya, but if they want to see some good sports people coming out ki haban improve ya ki infrastructure hangni kabon baka khang kani ka jaka and then sheri ka building ka shitan ka building heritage building hangni kipan kenya tu na da kani ka stage and ya ka swimming pool can improve ai kipan ya ka bisa hangno there should be an audit balai kalong